Hi everyone, today I want to show you how you can upload the log file on your Talos T60X. First, you will go to the Talos Agro app. Then you want to make sure you're connected to the internet. You can slide here and this is where you can see your Wi-Fi. I'll press back to go back to the home page. I go to the log upload. I select general issues. Usually after a crash, you want to use general issues and then select the flight that the crash happened in. So let's say this flight right here, it shows you the date and time, and then you can select multiple flights in fact if you want, and then upload them. You can, if you don't have good internet, you can just select save to local to save it on your remote controller. But after you selected that, you will click on upload. It starts uploading them. It takes a little bit of time. When it's done uploading, it will give you a QR code. You will share that QR code with our team to review and analyze your log file. That QR code is basically a reference number for your flight. Thank you for watching.